Phylum Porifera is the first phylum in the animal kingdom. So the members of these phylums are commonly known as sponges. So the sponges will be the example for Phylum Porifera. They are generally marine, which means their habitat will be in marine ecosystem. And mostly the animals which comes under the phylum Porifera are asymmetrical animals. So what is an asymmetry? If we will divide the organism through their center, we will not get equal half. If we will get the equal half, it is called a symmetrical animals. So this phylum Porifera includes sponges or asymmetrical animals. These are primitive multicellular animals which have cellular level of organization. So they are primitive, which means they are formed earlier with a cellular level of organization. Their entire body consists of some special group of cells only. Sponges have a water transport or canal system. So what is the need of this canal system? So this water canal system will help in the transportation as well as food gathering, with helps of respiration, exchange and removal of wastewater. So this water vascular system will be helping for all these functions. We will see the structure of this water vascular system. So the water enters through the minute pores. You can see in the image there will be a minute pores that is called ostia. So when the water will reaches to the ostia, it will reaches to the cavity called spongiocele, where it will be covered with the choanocytes. So these choanocytes are collar cells that is present in the sponges. Later, after the function called food gathering, transportation, respiration and exchange and removal of wastes, the water will be removed out of their body through another opening called the osculum that we can see on the top of their body. Their body is supported with a skeleton that is made up of spicules or spine-like structure that is called spongian fibers. You can see in the image the spicules of the phylum Porifera. So the Porifera organisms are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite in the sense the male and female will be present in the one individual organisms. That is called hermaphrodite. And also it is otherwise called a monoecious organism. Monoecious in the sense both the male and female organs will be in the same organisms. So they have sexual reproduction. Eggs and sperms are produced by the same individual. So the sponges reproduce asexually also by the fragmentation. You can see the image of fragmentation. So we have already studied what is the fragmentation. The entire body will be divided into so many different portions or pieces. These pieces will be again grown into a new individual. Sexually, by the formation of gametes, they will be producing from the same individual. The fertilization is an internal fertilization, which means inside their body only fertilization will be happen, and the development is indirect. Indirect in the sense they will be having a larva that is grown between the adult. It's kind of metamorphosis that we have studied in the frogs. And also the larval stage is morphologically distinctly different from the adult, because the adult have any or the larval don't have any kind of resemblance with the adult. So these are the characters of phylum Porifera. These are the general characters. So this phylum Porifera is again classified into different classes that we will learn in the another